Guardians of the Hillsides, an introduction to the Karen people. High in the remote hillsides of Southeast Asia lives a community deeply connected to the land. They are the Karen people, known for their vibrant culture and ancient wisdom. For generations they have lived in harmony with nature. Their lives are intertwined with the rhythms of the earth. The Karen people are the guardians of these hillsides. They hold a wealth of knowledge about sustainable living. Their story offers valuable lessons for our modern world. The Karen people are not a monolithic group. They encompass diverse subgroups, each with unique traditions. Yet a common thread unites them. It is their deep respect for the natural world. This respect is evident in their sustainable farming practices. It is reflected in their spiritual beliefs. The Karen way of life is a testament to the power of living in balance with nature. Their story is not just one of preservation, but also of resilience. The Karen people have faced numerous challenges over the centuries, yet they have adapted, preserving their traditions while embracing change. Their story is an inspiration. It reminds us that even in the face of adversity, harmony with nature is possible. It is a story that deserves to be heard. A tapestry of life unraveling the Karen polyculture system. The Karen approach to farming is a far cry from the large-scale monoculture that dominates much of modern agriculture. They practice polyculture, a system of growing a diverse range of crops together on a single plot of land. Imagine a single field bursting with life. Corn stalks reach for the sky. Bean vines intertwine, their vibrant flowers attracting buzzing bees. Squash leaves spread across the ground, providing shade and retaining moisture. This is a snapshot of a Karen polyculture farm. This intricate tapestry of life is not random. Each plant serves a purpose. Some, like legumes, fix nitrogen in the soil, enriching it for others. Tall crops provide shade for smaller, more delicate ones. The diversity of plants deters pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical interventions. This system is not just about efficiency, it is about mimicking the natural balance found in a thriving forest ecosystem. The benefits of polyculture extend beyond the immediate yield. It promotes biodiversity, attracting beneficial insects and animals. This creates a healthier ecosystem, more resilient to pests and diseases. Furthermore, the variety of crops ensures food security for the Karen people. If one crop fails, others can sustain them. This multifaceted approach to farming is a testament to the Karen people's deep understanding of ecological balance. Ancient wisdom, modern relevance, agroforestry in the Karen world. The Karen people understand that a forest is more than just a collection of trees. It is a complex ecosystem that provides for life in countless ways. This understanding is embodied in their practice of agroforestry, a system that integrates trees into their agricultural land. Imagine walking through a Karen village. Towering fruit trees offer shade from the tropical sun, their branches heavy with mangoes, jackfruit and other exotic delicacies. Beneath them, coffee bushes thrive, their beans a source of income for the community. This integration of trees into their farms is not just about maximizing space, it is about harnessing the benefits of a forest ecosystem. Trees prevent soil erosion, their roots holding the earth in place. They provide a habitat for birds and insects, many of which act as natural pest control. The fallen leaves decompose, enriching the soil with vital nutrients. Agroforestry, like polyculture, is a testament to the Karen people's deep understanding of nature's interconnectedness. It is a system that provides sustenance while preserving the environment. In a world grappling with deforestation and climate change, the Karen approach to agroforestry offers a model for sustainable land management. It is a reminder that working with nature, not against it, is the key to a sustainable future. the circle of life, nutrient cycling and waste management. In the Karen worldview, nothing goes to waste. Every element of their farming system is designed to contribute to the cycle of life. They understand that waste is simply a resource in the wrong place. This philosophy is evident in their approach to nutrient cycling and waste management. Take, for instance, the way they utilize animal manure. It is not seen as a disposal problem, but as a valuable fertilizer. Animal waste is collected and composted, breaking it down into rich nutrients that nourish the soil. This closes the loop in the nutrient cycle, returning essential elements back to the earth. Similarly, food scraps and other organic waste are composted, creating a nutrient-rich amendment for their crops. This approach eliminates the need for chemical fertilizers, further reducing their impact on the environment. The Karen people's understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things is not just a philosophical belief. It is a practical guide that shapes their daily lives. Their waste management practices are not just about minimizing pollution. They are about nurturing the circle of life, ensuring that resources are used responsibly and sustainably. Section 5. A sacred connection spirituality woven into the land. For the Karen people, the land is not merely a resource to be exploited. It is sacred, a source of life and spirituality. This deep reverence for nature is woven into the very fabric of their beliefs and practices. Their animistic faith recognizes spirits in all things, from the towering trees to the smallest insects. The forest is seen as a living entity, deserving of respect and care. This spiritual connection is reflected in their agricultural practices. Before clearing a new plot of land for farming, the Karen people perform rituals to appease the spirits of the forest. They ask for permission to use the land and offer thanks for its bounty. This deep respect for the natural world is not seen as separate from their daily lives. It is an integral part of who they are. Their spiritual beliefs act as a guiding force, reminding them of their responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world. This harmonious relationship with nature is a testament to the power of integrating spirituality with practical living. It is a reminder that true sustainability encompasses not just the physical world, but also our spiritual connection to the earth. Section 6. The Winds of Change. Modern challenges to traditional life. The idyllic image of the Karen people living in harmony with nature faces growing challenges in the modern world. The winds of change are blowing, bringing with them threats to their traditional way of life. One of the most significant challenges is deforestation. The increasing demand for timber, palm oil and other resources is encroaching on their ancestral lands. This deforestation not only destroys their homes and disrupts their farming practices, but also threatens the delicate balance of the forest ecosystems they depend on. Another challenge is the allure of modern life. Young people are increasingly drawn to urban areas in search of education and employment opportunities. This migration can lead to a loss of traditional knowledge and practices as younger generations become disconnected from their cultural heritage. Furthermore, the globalization of markets and the influx of cheap, mass-produced goods threaten the viability of their traditional crafts and agricultural products. Section 7. Seeds of Resilience. Adapting and preserving Karen heritage. Despite these challenges, the Karen people are not passive victims. They are resilient, drawing on their deep connection to the land and their cultural heritage to adapt and thrive. They understand that preservation does not mean resisting all change. It means finding ways to integrate new ideas and practices while safeguarding their core values. One way they are adapting is by incorporating modern technologies into their traditional practices. For example, some Karen communities are using mobile phones to access market information, enabling them to get better prices for their products. Others are using social media to connect with buyers and promote their crafts, preserving their cultural heritage while participating in the global economy. The Karen people are also actively working to protect their ancestral lands from deforestation. They are forming community forestry groups, advocating for land rights, and implementing sustainable forest management practices. Their resilience is a testament to the enduring strength of their culture and their unwavering commitment to living in harmony with nature. Section 8. Amplifying Voices, Grassroots Initiatives and Advocacy. The Karen people's struggle to preserve their way of life is not a solitary battle. They are finding allies in grassroots organizations and individuals who recognize the value of their traditional knowledge and the importance of protecting their rights. These organizations are working on various fronts, from providing legal aid to Karen communities facing land grabbing, to supporting sustainable livelihood projects that empower them economically. One crucial aspect of this support is amplifying the voices of the Karen people. For too long, their perspectives have been marginalized, their stories unheard. Grassroots organizations are providing platforms for the Karen people to share their knowledge, express their concerns, and advocate for their rights on national and international stages. These organizations are also working to raise awareness about the importance of biodiversity conservation and the role that Indigenous communities like the Karen play in protecting our planet's natural heritage. By supporting these initiatives, we can help ensure that the Karen people's voices are heard, their rights are respected, and their way of life continues to thrive. Section 9. Learning from the Earth Lessons in Sustainable Living. The Karen people's story holds profound lessons for our modern world, particularly as we grapple with the urgent need for more sustainable ways of living. Their deep connection to nature, their understanding of ecological balance, and their resourcefulness offer valuable insights for a future where humans and nature can coexist harmoniously. One of the most critical lessons is the importance of diversity. The Karen people's polyculture and agroforestry systems demonstrate the benefits of embracing diversity in agriculture. By moving away from monoculture and towards more diverse and integrated farming systems, we can create more resilient and sustainable food production systems that benefit both people and the planet. Another important lesson is the value of traditional knowledge. For centuries, the Karen people have developed a deep understanding of their environment and have devised ingenious ways to live sustainably within its constraints. By respecting and learning from Indigenous knowledge systems like theirs, we can gain valuable insights into living in balance with nature. Section 10, a call to action, preserving harmony for future generations. The Karen people's story is not just a glimpse into a distant and exotic way of life, it is a powerful reminder of our interconnectedness with nature and the urgent need to protect the delicate balance of our planet. Their resilience in the face of adversity is an inspiration, urging us to take action to preserve their way of life and learn from their wisdom. We can all play a part in supporting the Karen people and other Indigenous communities around the world who are striving to protect their cultural heritage and their environment. By supporting grassroots organizations, advocating for Indigenous rights, and making conscious consumer choices that promote sustainability, we can contribute to a future where the harmony between humans and nature is restored. Let the story of the Karen people be a call to action, a reminder that the choices we make today will shape the world we leave for future generations. Let us choose to embrace the wisdom of those who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries and work together to create a future where both people and the planet can thrive.